Welcome back to the channel. A big thank you to all returning subscribers for your continued support. And to our new viewers, we say Makorokoto, welcome to the family. And please, just know that you are at home. This platform is all about showcasing practical farming in action, highlighting the innovation and resilience of Zimbabwean and African farmers across the continent and in the diaspora. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button because here we grow together. In today's episode, we are focusing on forage sorghum, one of the most strategic crops for livestock feed, especially as we prepare for the dry season. This video is a follow-up to the maize forage silage we featured previously, and as you will see, we have taken it a step further. This is what we started with, and forage sorghum is drought tolerant, yields heavily, and is perfect for silage when cut at the right stage. And the goal is to ensure that our animals never go hungry when the grass turns brown. So here, we started our cutting process, and notice the height and the density of the forage. This tells you the soil health is solid and the crop has been well managed. This stage is critical. We cut at the boot to soft dough stage to ensure we preserve energy, sugars and digestibility. So we were doing this manually, and you could smell the sweet with potential. That's the smell of security for the future. The chopped forage, we then take it for processing before fermentation begins, and we were using the grinding mill. So for milling, we used the Prozer grinding mill, which you can see in the video, which is reliable and very efficient. It ensures the particles are uniform, making it easier for the animals to digest and for fermentation to occur evenly. So investing in the right tools makes a difference. This is an example of how mechanization, even on a small scale, can raise productivity and reduce post-harvest losses. As you can see, the boys, they were busy packaging and making sure that the bags are airtight. So if you are considering silage preparation, make sure you are milling right. It's not just about chopping, it's about consistency. So now we move to bagging and compaction. So watch closely, as these three strong young men are more than just laborers. They are part of a system that is building a food secure future. They understand that silage isn't just storage, it's science. Every push, every storm, every compacted layer reduces oxygen and sets up proper fermentation. The chopped sorghum is packed into airtight bags, and as you can see, the yield this year has exceeded our expectations. Each bag is tight, full, and rich in nutrients. And this is the fruit of planning and teamwork. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and this will encourage me to upload more as we continue with our farming diaries. So after bagging, we carefully stack the bags. As you can see, the guys there, stack them together, and we had not erected the shed yet, so to put the bags into stacks, to ensure that the conditions are maintained while still waiting to put them at the final stage, covering them with the silage bag. So as you can see, those bags, they are well compacted and they are airtight, waiting for anaerobic respiration to start. So this approach, it was sharpened by advice from my brother in South Africa, Mr. Nqobile Madlela, King of the Reds SA. I always talk about him. He's one of the respected voices in goat farming and forage management. He emphasizes that silage is not an emergency plan, it's a lifestyle. You want your animals to thrive, prepare before the need arises. His message to me was clear. He said, plant, my brother. You have to plan in the wet season, so your animals don't suffer in the dry one. That advice is now fitting into every bag we stack. So as you can see, the bags have been stacked together and the team continued to work stacking them. And you'll see in the next video when they now put under shade and 2 people not lift the bags. The bags required 3 people to be able to lift them and stack them together. With all the bags that you are seeing in the video, it's all forage sorghum. So my advice to farmers out there, do not wait, act, since winter will always come and it will always be there. So as you can see, the boys are now standing in front of the stacked bags and they are proud of the job that they did, and they are very happy and waiting to do the maize one. So we did the maize one in retrospect. So to all our viewers, don't wait for the drought to remind you to act. Start now. Whether it's forage sorghum, maize, or any silage crop, secure your feed, secure your livestock, and ultimately secure your income. Remember, nyika inovakwa navene vayo, and the land responds to those who respect and prepare for it. Stay tuned for more content, and let's keep building agriculture that feeds nations. Until next time, this is Tinashe Nyangari saying keep farming smart. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You can also put your recommendations in the chat box. See you in the next video.